Thinking about selling your house but not quite sure where to start? Well, before you pick up that paintbrush or go to Lowe's and buy all the storage bins, let me tell you exactly what you need to do. My name's Jean Watson. I'm a local realtor in Beaufort, South Carolina, and I've helped lots of people sell their homes, and I'm here to help you too. Step one is to start with a good game plan, and you're going to get that by getting with a realtor early. You're going to want to find out what's worth it to do, what would be a waste of money, what's going on in the market, and we'll figure it all out based on your timeline and goals. Next is to declutter and depersonalize. The goal is to make your home feel as large and bright as possible. From this point forward, you have to take off the "this is my home and I love it" hat and put on the "would I buy this place" hat. Pack away all the extra furniture and things you have. Might even need to rent a storage unit, but the goal is to declutter and make the space look as large and uncluttered as possible. Then, take care of the small repairs. Leaky faucet, chipped paint, squeaky door handles. All those things are easy to do, but buyers notice. And what you're wanting to do is give them the opportunity to have a great first impression and to think that you take care of the maintenance of your home. Then you're going to do a deep clean. I'm talking windows, floors, kitchens, baths, all the things that are going to make a first impression better. If you need to, hire it out, but it'll be worth it, and clean homes sell faster and for more than dirty homes. And don't forget curb appeal. Get yourself a splash of color, whether it's new plants, whether it's painting the front door. First impressions are huge, and you want to make that curb appeal look great, so they're going to drive by, they're going to think, maybe this is the home for us, and they're going to want to see the home. If you're thinking about selling and would like a personalized plan just for you, send me a message and let's talk. I'd love to help you sell your home.